Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we have 4 of the Annie's Kit Club Creative Woman of the Month subscriptions to open. So if you don't know what Annie's Kit Clubs is, they are a brand that has so many different craft subscriptions. So again, today we're opening up the Creative Woman of the Month Club, where you get a different craft to do every month, and it's for all levels. But check out the website, I'll link below. You can see all of their other subscription plans as well. Like you can make quilting, jewelry, card making, there's some for kids, crocheting, like so many different kinds, and they're adding them all the time, and they're quite affordable, $19.99 a month. And I do have a code with Annie's to save 50% off, and it works on all the subscriptions. So you get your first month 50% off. It's a great deal, and it's so fun. Not only do you get an item that you end up making, but you also get the experience. So I think that's awesome. I will link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, and I do have an affiliate code, so thank you in advance if you use it, but this video is not sponsored. So let's get started. I think I have them in order. So yeah, I think I even have March's subscription here, so you'll see what's coming next. Their bags are super cute. Open for inspiration. And you pretty much get everything you'll need, but sometimes you'll need like scissors from home, like common items like that. Sorry, if I can get it up. Okay, what do we have this? Oh. So this must have been from around December. This must be December's box. Sorry, I got behind on this. So this is From Our House to Yours. This is cards. Oh my God, so cute. So here are all the items. You have different like little ink press things. Is that what you call it? Ink press things. And different colored papers. It's so much fun craft stuff. So in here, it'll give you step-by-step instructions with photos, which is really convenient. So From Our House to Yours, this is artwork by Hot Fudge Studio LLC, designs by Brooke Groombridge. So in your kit, you get cards, envelopes, cardstock, pattern papers, die-cut sheets, ink pads. Hey, didn't I say ink pad? But I said ink pad things. Enamel dots, sequins, baker's twine, and clear stamps. Clear stamps. From home, you'll need scissors or paper cutter, adhesives, black ink or marker, acrylic stamp block, tweezers that are optional, or pencil. And then they'll give you some techniques. And here's a finished picture here. And then sample cards and the steps to make them. So one is called Art From Our House to Yours, the other's Comfort and Joy. And then Merry Christmas. And Let It Snow. These are so cute. Again, here are what all of them look like. So even though I'm opening this late, I could save it for upcoming, the next 2024 Christmas season, or I could still use all these papers and stuff for crafts. I love that color green so much. Well, awesome. I could have just opened it on time. I apologize again for being a little delayed. Let's move on to the next one. This one's a little bit smaller. I believe this will be January's. I think I had them stacked up in chronological order. We shall see. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, cute. This one's jewelry. So this is Aria turquoise beads and suede tassel create a laid back set. Ooh, so it looks like you make earrings and a tassel necklace. Ooh, I love turquoise. This is so exciting. So you have a whole kit in here. Sorry, there's a sticker over, but it's all separated into the different components, which makes it really easy and fun to do. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. Let's take a look inside. Emmy just came to join us. So here are all the items it comes with here. The bead key. Oh my God, I love turquoise. So there's a chain, there's little 8mm turquoise round jump rings that are 12mm, eye pins, a suede tassel, lobster claw clasps, filigree rounds, freeform crystal, ball-tipped head pins, ear wire with plastic stoppers. And so there's some helpful hints, and then what you'll need from home: a towel, a 4-in-1 tool, and a ruler. And then there's general techniques, and then how to. Look at how cute that looks on her. I like how it's longer. I was saying recently, or in some video semi-recently, that I don't have many long necklaces. That looks really cute on her. And I feel like this is something like she's wearing it like with winter clothes, but you could, turquoise also works in the summer. I think the earrings are my favorite. And here's some more information here. So it talks about the links, how to create the links, how to create dangles and sets. Super cute. So the finished length is 32.5 inches at the shortest length, but you can adjust it. Awesome. Aren't the earrings super cute? I think I like these the best, but I like the necklace too. I like how it's a set. Annie, what are you doing? She's laying on the bags I already opened and put down. So yeah, this is awesome. I think that is super cute and fun. Now the next one, this is like huge. Let's just see. Okay. I think this one's a tray. I've made a tray in the past. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. I have books on it. It's super cute. I have it like on my TV stand. There's like shelves, and in between I have it there. And then I put some of my books there, and I have a lot of books like all over. It looks really cute. Let's see what this tray is. Ooh, a winter's night. So this is like an art tray, not a, like more art than to put stuff on. Isn't that really pretty? Just look at this. So that's what I was thinking. I saw this tray. So you could put stuff on it, but that looks cute on display. So you can see you have paints here. I have a cat here in my nose. You can see there's paints here, a paintbrush. Like, is this like a sanding thing? I don't know. And this tray. Nice. Let's see what it says in here. I'm gonna try and. Oh, I think I actually did feel it. Did I get it? I got it. I don't know if you guys see. There's a cat here. Sweet. So a winter's night. So in your kit, wood tray, paint, large paintbrush, and small paintbrush. You'll also need waxed or parchment paper, half a teaspoon, measuring spoon, paper towels, cup of water, paper plate, pencil, ruler. Helpful hints, terms you'll need to know. Mixing paints, they give you some tips. So if you want to like, so general mixing ratios for colors, that's good. See, it is for all levels. I feel like you can do this with your kids, by yourself, with your partner, with your friends, whoever. And I am not naturally crafty, and you can follow these instructions because they're really thorough and let you know, but also simple at the same time. But I feel like even if you're very artistic, you can really put your own flair to it. Oh my God, am I supposed to paint those myself? Let's see. So getting started, you can see you're putting the colors here. I love these colors very much. Wow, so yeah, there really are step-by-step picture instructions, which I really appreciate, especially with this. Look at, so you do paint them yourself. Cool. Wow, oh my, isn't this so pretty? Do you think mine would look like this when I do it? Or will look like this? I don't know if it'll look this good, but I feel like since they do those step-by-step instructions, it's possible. That's exciting. I think it's so pretty. All right, we have one more to go. I'm just curious what month. Oh, so that was the January one. I think I did do them out of order because this was billed on December 8th. Or December, I don't know. But this one just came the other day. So this is the most recent. So we have December, January, February. Yeah, this is definitely the March. So I must not have opened since November. Wow. Okay, let's get this one open. Another huge bag. Emmy's so cute right now. Is it candle making? Or I don't, oh my God, even better. I'm so excited. I can see right here it says hanging garden shelf. I love my houseplants. Oh my God, this is so fun and perfect for spring. Oh my God, and I have a bunch of succulents. I'm so excited about this. Hanging garden shelf, let's see. So in your kit, a wood shelf, galvanized buckets, gel stain, sealant, foam paintbrush, rope, rub-on sheet, and craft stick. So from home, you'll need waxed or parchment paper, paper plate, which is optional, water bowl, paper towels or a rag, tape, rulers, scissors, and then optional is dirt and cedar plants. Then there's helpful hints and then getting started. And again, it has the step-by-step instructions on how to make everything. This is so fun. This is definitely my favorite out of all of them. So this is the March one. So I'm pretty sure if you subscribe right now, this is what you will get because we're still in February. This is so cute and so fun and simple. How many steps? So you prepare the buckets, you finish the shelf, or no, you stain and seal the shelf, then you prepare the buckets, then finish the shelf. And there you go. Then you hang it up and then plant little succulents or plants. Hey, Emmy. See a little tail. This is so fun. Here are all the items. Super cute. Yeah, so out of all four, this is definitely my favorite. But like, to be fair, like 2 of them were Christmas themed kind of, or winter themed. And I'm opening them late. But this really excites me because I have a bunch of plants. I actually just repotted some of my succulents. They've been growing like crazy, having little plant babies, and yeah, it's been fun. So I'm super excited about that. That's my favorite. I would love to know what your favorite craft is, and then the jewelry, and then the Christmas stuff. But you know, again, it's now February, and I'm opening it a little late. Emmy seems to love laying on everything right now, the mess I just made. But that's everything, you guys. Again, check out Annie's Kit Clubs. There's way more craft subscriptions as well. I'll link them down below, along with the code to save 50% off your first month. Awesome deal. So glad to share that with you. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.